Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Shayne Mendoza, and for today's video ay ang pag-uusapan po natin ay kung paano gagawa ng Testmoz. Ayan, actually, as experience ko sa paggagawa ng Testmoz is napakadali at napakaganda niyang gamitin. Why? Because when we say Testmoz is an excellent web tool that allows you to create auto-graded tests and quizzes. Each test you create has a unique URL which you can use to edit your test later on or to share with others. Testmoz also provides detailed reports so teachers can analyze student scores and responses. So, without further ado, let's get started! From Google, i-search po natin ang Testmoz. Ayan, then let's click this one. At ito po yung lalabas. And let's click Build a Test. So, ang nakalagay po dito, if you paid for a membership, you should sign in first. But since we will create a quiz sa free version, ito po yung gagamitin natin. So, gagamitin ko pa din po yung ginamit ko last time. So, choose a password. And let's click Create Test. So, ayan po. Ito po yung lalabas. Nasa dashboard po tayo. So, nakalagay bookmark this page and write down the password and so on. So, punta po tayo sa settings. And ito po yung lalabas. If you want to change your test name, may chance po kayo na baguhin dito. Ayan. And we have here the introductions. Introduction, this text is displayed at the top of the test. Okay, introduction, or pwedeng gawin ko na lang is, I will use these as directions. Lagay ko na lang, answer the following questions. And pwede po natin baguhin, ayan, pwede natin siyang i-bold, italic, underline, and so on. And color scheme, ano yung gusto nating color? Pwede tayong mamili. I will choose this one. Ito nasa dulo. And then, sa question settings, ayan, show all the test questions on one page. Show one question per page. And I will choose this one, show all the test questions, and then randomize the order of the questions during the test. And dito sa review settings, ayan, let's click this one, show a custom message if the student passed or failed. So, nakalagay po dito, what is the passing score? So, ilagay ko na lang is 50%. And then, if the student passes, this text is displayed. So, pag nakapasa, ano yung magpa-flash sa kanila? Lagay ko is, good job. And, if the student failed, this text is displayed. Better luck next time. Ayan. Yan ang lalagay natin. And at the end of the test, display the user's score. Test outline. Yan, okay na yan. And then, let's have the access control. So, who can take your test? Piliin po natin itong yung may passcode. Pwede rin namang unique identifier. Gagamit sila ng ID or email address, but let's choose this one, yung passcode na lang. Ito yung i-enter nila kapag magte-take sila ng quiz. Ayan. And dito naman sa the other side, how much time do test takers have to complete the test? Pwede namang unlimited o pwede ka namang magbigay ng minutes. Of course, magbigay tayo ng minutes. Let's say 5 minutes lang. Since I will prepare only 5 questions. How many times can someone take your test? Ilang beses pwedeng unlimited. Sa times, pwede namang isang beses lang. Pwedeng 10, diba? Pero isang beses lang tayo. Diba? One is enough, two is too much. And what should test takers enter to identify themselves? So, ayan, enter your name na lang. And then, do you want to receive an email whenever someone finishes this test? Pwede. Ayan, pero no na lang ipipiliin ko, then click save. And after that, punta na tayo. Automatically, pupunta siya sa questions. Ayan. Your test has no questions. Use the drop down below to insert a question. So, insert tayo ng question. May pagpipilian tayo. Graded question, survey, or ungraded question, or other. Pero syempre, since gagawa tayo ng quiz, graded question. Okay? We have here multiple choice or choose one. Multiple choice, choose many. True, false, matching type, fill in the blank, or essay. But let's try this first. Multiple choice. Ayan. And lalabas to yung question natin. Ganun pa din. Delightful pastry. Choice filling. Ingredient. Pie crust. And pressed cookies. Ayan. And then, dito sa taas, pwede tayong pumili kung ilang points ba for this question. Pwede natin gawing 2 points, 4 points, and so on. Pero syempre, 1 point lang for this question. And kung gusto mo pang mag-add ng choice, pwede. Click to add a new answer choice. Pwede mo naman gawing show explanation. Ayun, then I will click dito sa loob ng circle kung alin yung tamang sagot. So, I will choose this one. And ito naman is for shuffle answer choices during test. Okay? So, click natin siya para ma-shuffle siya during the test. Then, insert ulit tayo ng other question. Let's try this multiple choice, choose many. Ayan. The example of single pie crust. So, choices, we have egg pie. The other one is apple pie, durian tart, and then buko pie. So, ayan. Below are the example of single pie crust. Alin dyan? So, egg pie and durian tart. Yan po yung example ng single pie crust. Pero pwede din yung maramihan. Okay? Pwede, ayan, 3. Ayan, 4 and so on. Pero 2 lang po yung sagot dito. Egg pie and durian tart. So, since may labis dito na choice, I can delete this choice. Ayan. And then, ilang points? Siyempre, 2. Since 2 yung sagot. Okay? And then, let's try another question. True or false? Ayan. True or false? Let's try this one. There are 2 types of cookies. Is it true or false? Okay. Actually, there are many types of cookies. So, the answer is false. And then, ayan, points isa lang. And then, let's click another type. So, pwede din yung matching type or you can also have the fill in the blank. And fill in the blank. Let's try this one. Single pie crust is also known as blank. Okay, the answer is 1 pie crust. We can also add here an alternative answer. Lagyan lang natin 1 pi. And last, let's have the essay. Okay? We can have here an essay type. So, may question tayo. Based on your own understanding, can you please explain how to prepare pastry product based on your own understanding? Ayan. So, lagyan natin to ng ito palang baba. Lagyan natin siya ng 5 points. Ayan. And then, kapag okay na siya lahat, yan, okay na siya lahat. Let's say, lahat ng questions mo nandun na. Nakalagay dito, your test is 5 questions. Ayan. 5 graded, 0 ungraded, with a total of 9 points possible. Questions will be shuffled during the test. When you're done adding questions, go to the publish page to preview and publish your test. You can click this one, pero pwede rin dito naman sa part na to. Let's click publish. And then, ayan, you need to publish your test to make it available for your students to take. You can preview your test para makita mo ano ba yung itsura niya. Okay? It's okay to edit your test after you publish. Okay? So, ito naman, test paper copy. Testmoz tests are meant to be taken online. But if you need a paper copy or a hard copy, you can print one here. Okay? View print in your browser or download as Word documents. Ayan, show answer, show explanation. Pwede yan. And since okay na ako sa lahat, let's say na-preview ko na, we will click this one, publish. Ayan, your test has been published and available at, ayan, Testmoz 367420. Okay? So, i-copy na, ito yung ibibigay natin sa student natin. Okay? Ibibigay natin sa student natin itong link na to. Okay? Ika-copy lang natin siya. Ayan, copy. And then, tandaan or ibigay din natin sa student natin yung passcode. So, mag-open ako dito ng bagong tab. So, i-click or i-copy, i-paste ko lang rather, yung link na binigay ni teacher. Let's say, ito po yung screen ni student. Ayan. So, mapupunta po dyan. Okay, enter your name. Let's say, the name of the student is Stella. And the passcode is, ano yung binigay ni teacher? Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, start. Ayan, ganyan yung magiging itsura kay student. Below are the example of single pie crust. 2 points to. Egg pie and durian tart. So, based on your understanding, can you please explain how to prepare pastry product? First, you need, let's say this is the correct answer, okay? First, you need to prepare the ingredients. And so on. Let's say, yun na yung correct answer. And there are two types of cookies. Is it true or false? Let's say, ang sagot ko is true. Single pie crust is also known as one pie. Okay? And what is the secret of delightful pastry? Ingredient. Then, I will click submit. So, may time remaining ako dito. Makikita kasi 5 minutes lang yung binigay ko, diba? Then, submit. So, ito yung sa screen ni student. Cookery 101. So, ito yung result. Your score 80%. So, it means na pasado si student. Diba? Kasi 50% kung naalala nyo kanina yung nilagay ko na passing na percentage. So, 4 out of 5. Ayan, 5 possible points pending. Ayan. Duration. Ayan. 1 minute and 7 seconds. So, ayan. Then, kapag tapos na si student, pwede na siyang mag-log out. Okay? So, pag nag-log out, ayan na siya. And then, punta po tayo sa results. Okay? Let's say, lahat nag-quiz na. Okay? Punta tayo sa results. Again, kay teacher itong screen. Makikita mo sa results, ayan, nandyan yung, makikita mo yung result ni Stella. Ayan, score niya, 80%, 4 out of 5. Started on, anong oras? Natapos, 8:20. Oh, ang galing naman, 1 minute lang. Ayan, time is 1 minute and 7 seconds. So, makikita dito ni teacher, alin yung mali na sagot ni student. Okay? So, meron ditong question mark. Paano kapag essay yung sinagot? Okay? Ayan, dito makikita. And then, pag kinilik mo yun, makikita mo dito yung sagot ni student. First, you need to prepare the ingredients based on your own understanding. Ayan. Ilang points ilalagay ni teacher? Let's say, 3 points lang. Okay, save changes. Yan, makikita, 100%. Ayan, tama siya. And 7 out of 10 yung score ni student. So, ayun lang. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Hoping po na nakatulong sa inyo ang video tutorial na to. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates. See you on my next video.